Alright, I wasn't planned to start this video right now, but everybody in the YouTube, they are saying about this Claude Code, this one. This Claude Code is moved to the Pro model, and the pricing in the cloud, in this cloud, their pricing, I just bought it. I was pre-planned, and I moved to Pro just about an hour ago. And I just tried the Claude Code. So I made it into the terminal that I made this Claude Code and with this teleprompter. This was my first time to using this Claude Code, so I had to figure out how to open in my Windsurf. I'm not using cursor, I'm using Windsurf, so I moved it to that one. The way was really simple. I'll just start all over again. Open the Windsurf, and if you go to terminal and just press the cloud, and all the extensions will be like installed. And if you press command and ESC, and it will come back right here. And with here, I just ask him that I want to make some teleprompter with my use. I just wanted to make some teleprompter my own. There were tons of it, and there wasn't a lot. So I was thinking, what about just making for this some little hobby website? But that was really fast. As you can see here, just copy my reason, this, and paste it right here. It just shows up. And I added this feature that goes to, if you're not in this text area, you go out and you press this, what I call this icon, keyboard. It goes to speed it up and down. So if you want to speed it up and down, you can start. You can speed it up right away, and you can speed it down. And on the full screen, even if you start, you can speed it up, you can speed it down. Actually, it doesn't really work now. Let's fix this one right away. Let's fix this right away. Here in the Claude Code, you can say the speed doesn't change when the prompter starts. Make it change when it is already started. Make it speed change when it is already started. So it's just reading it. As you guys all know, the Claude Code was like, you couldn't use it as a subscription. You always had to buy the API. So when you use this, all the tokens, you have to pay them more. So this is why it has come really useful to the Claude Code. And I wanted to test it out. So I just tested it, and it just made the app. The another one has been shown, the start. Yeah, it works perfect. Okay, I will test on this full screen. I'm gonna make some space keystroke to make it start and stop. What about R to the list set?
A few moments later.
Right, I got the final result here. Everything in here is not really coded by me, it's coded by Claude Code. And this Claude Code made almost everything, and I just prompted it like vibe coding. I made this teleprompter like this one, and as you can see, I added some like space gap here. If you are using this prompt, you have to need some gap, and you have to make some spaces with the start. You can press space for the start and R for the reset. If you go on, you can stop it and play it again with a space key, and F, it goes to full size. And even in the inside, there are a ton of shortcuts. So they start with a space and R with a reset. And as you can see here, the font size is plus and minus, and speed up is like this thing. The F, you can speed it up with this key, and you can make your font bigger. As you can see, the width is a little bit really short when you go on the big font. So you stop it and you can go to the full size, and yeah, that's it. And go to full size. Isn't it beautiful? I think everything I'm gonna add after making this one, and I'm gonna make it all with a shortcuts. The reason why I have made this video was that when this whole thing was just happened in just 1 hour, and I'm just recording and editing my video about 30 minutes. It was really short, but I made all of it. So if you have an idea, it is a really good solution for that will be the Claude Code right now. The Claude Code, it has been changed to the API keys to the subscription, so you can use it infinite tokens and you can use it right away. And I think this is the right solution for it. If you want to do some vibe code, just do it. And just one cons that has in the Claude Code is like everybody says that checkpoint is just by the Git. I think someday the Claude Code can update that one. I hope so. And thank you for watching and see you next time.